Hello and welcome back. If you're new here, hello, I am Oyuink. I have a small sticker shop over on Etsy. Last week I procrastinated a lot, and this week I had an outing which I kind of forgot about, so again, I only managed to get 2 cards done, plus an Instagram post. This week I am sketching out my designs again to get a better idea on the composition and thinking a bit more about the design, where things are placed. The main ones I work on are Milk Bear picking out his Christmas tree, my Arctic Fox character who will be coming up, he is kind of like Santa in this world, and Sick Milk Bear, as I was sick the week on the first studio vlog I did. This is mainly leading into storytelling and to update you guys over there what I've been up to. I take the designs over to Procreate where I get to see the designs come to life. Picking colours is something tricky, but I try to keep them bright and fun to look at. I do also use other images on Pinterest to help with colour schemes and stuff like that. With Sick Milk Bear, I used his blanket from a previous drawing I did to keep the props cohesive. When I started drawing the Arctic Fox, I forgot that this wasn't going to be a red fox, so I had to quickly change up the colours. I only thought about this character once before, as I think it would be interesting to use an Arctic fox to act as Santa in this world, and using props like stars to signify something magical. But yes, please leave names in the comments for this character, he is super cute. I got an order over on Etsy, a commission for a portrait, which is why this is upside down, just to keep the order private. But this was really fun to do, and the person who ordered it was super lovely, and I really enjoyed putting this one together. Thank you so much. It's now the next day and I'm printing out my Christmas cards. The first time I printed it out, as you can see on the monitor, was the bottom card wasn't flipped, meaning that the card would have been back to front. So I corrected this before printing out the rest. These cards turned out super cute. Afterwards, I did change one thing. I moved Milk Bear with his tree a little bit more to the left, as there was still a lot of room next to it. So this will be corrected for the next batch of cards when needed. The trick of turning the bottom card upside down really helped a lot, and helped to keep the design centered, so we'll definitely be continuing doing this. Next week I am hoping to get more card designs done. I don't think I have any plans then, but you never know what could come up. I want to have a go at doing the designs with the reefs and the individual character card with some foliage also. Thanks so much for spending time with me. I hope you enjoyed seeing the process behind these new Christmas cards. I can't wait to share them with you all. Keep an eye out on Etsy and Instagram to see any updates about when these cards will be released. I'm hoping soon, as Christmas is around the corner. Take care, stay cozy, and I'll see you next week.